talk of money on the stand today in the Tex McIver murder trial. The prosecution is working to convince jurors that McIver, once a prominent attorney, killed his wife Diane for financial gain. This morning, accountant Dean Driscoll told jurors about Tex McIver's finances before and after Diane's death. Driscoll said McIver was worth just under $2 million before Diane died. Well, that amount jumped to $6 million the moment she died. Fox 5's Angelique Proctor joining us now. And Angelique, that accountant also talked about Tex McIver's concerns about debt.
That's right, Caitlin. That was part of the evidence today. An email that Tex wrote to Diane saying that he was very concerned about debt. This accountant called Tex McIver cash poor and said that he was in financial stress at the time that Diane died. Let's take a look at some of these numbers now. Accountant Dean Driscoll says Tex McIver's salary had dropped more than half, some 54%, at the law firm where he was working from 2013 to 2016. And the accountant says many of the Atlanta lawyer's 6 bank accounts were overdrawn at times in 2016, and he had no savings account. One of the biggest expenses was his beloved ranch, which cost him $17,000 a month to operate. When all was said and done, this accountant says Tex McIver was in the hole when Diane died in September of 2016.
The availability of cash for Mr. McIver on the date of his wife's death, if we take his wife's cash out of the equation, how would you characterize it?
Well, it's a layman's term, but he was cash poor at her date of death. So the day before death, $1.7 million, Mr. McIver's net worth. The day after death, 5.9 or 6 million to 6.9 million.
Now, the accountant also said Tex McIver overstated his net worth by $4 million when he reported it in February of 2017. Reporting live in downtown, Angelique Proctor, Fox 5 News.
Thanks for those developments, Angelique. The FBI has identified